In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can create a talking AI avatar for free. Like this.
Once upon a time, in the heart of the United Kingdom, nestled amidst rolling hills and picturesque countryside, there was a small village named Greenbridge.
Step number 1. Generate an AI avatar. First of all, we will generate an AI avatar image for our video. So go to Google and search GenCraft. You can use GenCraft to generate AI images. Now simply log in using your Facebook or Gmail account. To create an AI image, describe your creation here. And then click on the Generate option and it will generate that photo for you. Besides this, you can make other changes. For example, you can modify or add something to your creation details, and you can choose an aspect ratio for your image. Once done, simply download your photo. That's it. Step number 2, generate voice for your video using text-to-speech AI. To convert text to speech, go to Google and search text-to-speech generator. Now open voicemaker.in. Type or paste your text here, and convert that text into speech. You can choose or change voice, speed, volume, and other changes according to your choice. After generating voice, simply download the audio file.
Once upon a time, in the heart of the United Kingdom, nestled amidst rolling hills.
That's it. You can use any other website to generate your text into speech. Step number 3, generate video. In this final step, we will generate our video. To do so, open Google Chrome and search Did.ai. Did.ai is a website where you can generate videos. Open this website. Click on Start Now and then click on Create Video. Simply complete the registration using your Gmail or LinkedIn account. Once done, click on the Add option and add your image as a presenter for your video. After that, import your audio file by clicking the Upload Voice Audio option. Upload your own voice, select your audio, and that's it. Now simply click on the Generate Video and it will generate that video for you. Done. This is how you can create a talking avatar.
Once upon a time, in the heart of the United Kingdom, nestled amidst rolling hills and picturesque.
If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks.